positive outcomes despite your life obstacles. Dreams to reality, that's DLD's motto. His inspiring messages deliver feasible avenues, allowing opportunities to be present. This motivational guru has carved out a blazing path of mentoring, facilitating, keynote speaking, and empowerment. Donald has appeared on radio and TV talk shows, as well as speaking before schools, organizations, and many other powerful platforms. He created his DLD motivational moment, which is 60 seconds of pure motivation, where he gives his audience 60 seconds of positive reinforcement to get you through the day. His DLD brand is seen as an independent enterprise, and he's created the DLD curriculum, Altitude of Greatness. This curriculum was created to cater to our youth and students attending HCPS Project Promise, in which he currently is rated 89.5 as the most top-notch vendor since 2009. He continues as an innovative leader with mind-blowing orations that are definitely not the norm. He recently conducted a power-packed motivational training with BWI Airport in Baltimore, Maryland, and he wowed the audience of storytellers in St. Petersburg, Florida. This talented entrepreneur is a guest writer for the Black National newspaper and also writes motivational columns for several local and far-reaching publications on subjects dealing with motivation, business, parenting, and political awareness. He's also celebrating 13 years as Frederick Douglass, the great abolitionist. The DLD brand has DLD wear t-shirts. He's authored 14 top-selling books, and his 13th book, called The Power of Being a Winner, landed on the Barnes & Noble self-help books at #1. DLD teams with nonprofit organizations like Toastmasters, universities, businesses, prisons, and religious groups in developing antidotes to assist in the betterment of communities alike. His motto is, "Hands that help are hands that care." If you speak to him after the meeting today, he'll probably give you his phone number and his email address. He wants you to look at his website called dldenterprises.org, and he also has a presence on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Clubhouse, and YouTube. So definitely check him out. Here is Donald Lowry.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. We can do better than that. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. When you speak, and you speak to somebody that is energetic like me, you got to let it really come out. There's no holding back. I know I don't know you, and you don't know me. But as far as I'm concerned, we're all a fish in the one big, gigantic ocean. So when we see each other, it's how you doing? How you doing? As a matter of fact, my favorite cereal is no other than Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. How many of you all like Kellogg's Frosted Flakes? For the longest, I would watch Tony the Tiger on those commercials. And as I grew older, I said, you know what? I can do better than him. Because he says, great! Hey, no, how are you going to get people fired up, motivated, and inspired with inspiration if you don't be able to what? Fire them up. So I went on a tear for the last 30 years, and I'm still on that same